On the little air tool, a little 12-volt air compressor, or 110 volt, sorry, 110 volt. What do you think?
All right, so today Barbie and I went to a farm auction and we actually bought an old truck. It went real cheap, so we couldn't resist. We bought the old truck. So the plan for today is we're gonna go try to drive that old truck home. We got the old pickup loaded up with a bunch of tools and gas and oil and water. Hopefully we got enough stuff. It's not very far. It's only about a 30-minute drive away, but in that old truck we'll see. Okay, here we go. We're in the truck. We're gonna pin it and see if we can drive that old truck home. We got some stuff. You can see in the back. There. We got some goodies. Hopefully it's enough to get us home. And here we go. All right, so we're gonna gently pull it out up the hill, out of the way and in the shade, and we'll get it running. So the truck doesn't have brakes, but I think we'll be able to get by. See if we can get it running anyways. I see the hood doesn't work, so maybe if I hook the spring up. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna start by putting a battery in, see if it'll even crank. They said it did run, so hopefully they weren't tricking me. That's a good sign. I could tell that the gas smelled real bad, so I'm gonna crawl underneath, and I think I'm gonna drain that gas quick if it's not too hard, and we'll start with fresh gas. So I'll catch as much as I can. Shouldn't be a problem. So I'm trying to undo the fitting because the hose itself is a little crusty, and I'm scared if I wreck it, then I'll be in a pickle and I can't. Then I won't be able to fix it. So it is coming undone, so we should be in good shape here. It's real close, and I don't want to get covered in dirty gas, so I'm trying to be careful, but it's probably gonna happen. It doesn't help that the mosquitoes are incredible right now. That's not good. Or it's good. One or the other. Doesn't appear to be any gas. So maybe it's empty. What I'll do is I'll pour a little bit in. Good. Okay, well, I'm going to call that good. Alright. I'm going to hook the hose back up. It seems to be flowing gas. This hose leaving here is not the awesomest. It's kind of soft and gooey, which is not good. But talk to the fella. They said it ran. They said it smoked a lot. Said a lot, so it's probably going to burn a bunch of oil and stuff, but that's fine. Just like to see it run and maybe drive it a little bit so I can get this hook back up without too much grief. And then I'll get a little fresh gas. I'll check the oil. I brought brake fluid too. Maybe we can get them brakes kind of working, and then we can pour some gas down the carburetor. Well, I think I got it. All right. Well, I hope I'm done under here. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I would like to maybe build an old ranch truck or something. We'll see, but the truck itself seems to be very good shape. The cab is solid. Doesn't seem to be dented up too badly. The interior, other than the seat, the interior seems very nice. The floor is solid. So we'll see. Step is to see if it has spark. So I'll see if I can get a spark plug out. Okay, crank it. Yeah, okay, try it. Okay, stop. But it'll be all right. There we go. Catch the hand virus now. Okay, so we made it about, I guess about 10, 20 kilometers, and I'm having fuel issues. I think it's, well, I'm not getting fuel to the pump, so I believe it's from the tank to the pump. So I'm gonna run and get some fuel, a little chunk of fuel line, because that one was shady from the tank to the chassis line. And then I'm gonna grab an air tank too, so I can blow back through it, make sure I don't have any garbage in there. All right, so I did manage to get a chunk of hose. I'm gonna try and swap that out quick, and then I'll go back through. So yeah, we weren't getting gas to the pump. I was able to get a hose and an air tank to blow back. We're getting tons of gas now. We didn't film it. I got covered in gas. We didn't film it, so we had gas everywhere. But we're gonna try it now. I think we're getting plenty of gas. Should be good now, hopefully. Okay, so we made it home. It wasn't too bad. We had to stop a few times and blow back through the fuel line. It kept clogging up. There must be something in the fuel tank giving us grief. So we had to do that a few times, and then we ended up having to tow it home probably the last couple miles. I think we ran out of fuel is what it was. So, but we got the old 500 home. Again, I'll put it over the hill, and who knows what we'll do with it in the future. We'll do something with it. I'm not sure. Maybe a ramp truck or something. It'll be kind of cool. Whatever. We'll see. And anyways, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.